Strengthening Faith 78. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the rise and fall of tyrannical leaders. It is important to learn that no matter how much physical or social strength a person has, a day will certainly come when they face the consequences of their actions. In most cases, this occurs during their life, where the actions of a person leads them to trouble, such as prison, and eventually they will face the consequences of their actions in the hereafter as well. This applies to all people, not just leaders. A Muslim should therefore never mistreat others, such as their relatives. They should learn a lesson from the tyrannical leaders of history who were greater in strength than them. Yet a day certainly came when their strength did not benefit them, and they faced the consequences of their evil deeds. Social influence and strength are fickle things, as they quickly pass from person to person, thereby never remaining with anyone for long. Therefore, a Muslim who possesses such strength should use it in a way which is pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, by benefiting themselves and others. But if they abuse their authority and influence, then they will eventually face a punishment which no one can protect them from. In addition, it is important not to abuse one's authority, as it may cause them to be hurled into hell on Judgment Day. Every oppressor will have to give their righteous deeds to their victims, and if necessary take the sins of their victims, until justice is established. This will cause many oppressors to be thrown into hell. This has been confirmed in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6579. To conclude, a Muslim should never forget to hold themselves accountable for their deeds. Those who do will avoid disobeying Allah, the Exalted, and harming others. But those who do not judge themselves will continue disobeying Allah, the Exalted, and harming others heedlessly, not knowing that in actual fact they are only harming themselves. But when they realize this fact, it will be too late for them to escape punishment.